Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and for today's video, I wanted to do something different. I needed to clean up and organize all of my craft supplies and projects. They were just scattered everywhere, and I had trouble finding some things. So I thought I would film myself cleaning and organizing everything, and I could also show you how I organized my craft supplies and projects. If you're new here, subscribe to see DIYs on Monday and Thursday, and I also do a bullet journal video near the end of each month. In the comments down below, let me know of any organization ideas that you have. So I started cleaning up craft supplies and projects that were on a table and on the floor. I moved them next to the shelf where I was going to put some of it. Then I started emptying and sorting through the storage bin that had a bunch of ribbon and other things in it. And I separated everything from the storage bin into separate storage bins, like these two colored bins. After I was done sorting the stuff that was in the storage bin, I started to clear the shelves so I could sort them into boxes later. I also went ahead and put a box that's filled with projects and my canvases on two of the shelves. I separated the projects I already completed into some cardboard boxes, and I also separated things I could use for more projects into other cardboard boxes. And I put everything I needed to throw away into a bucket or a plastic bag. I used this tray for organizing a few things like pencils, jewels, and pictures. The last thing I did was put the things where I didn't know where to put them into the storage bin that I cleared out first. Then I threw away all of the trash. I also put some scrapbook paper and other paper into a storage bin, like what I used earlier in the video. Now it's all done, and I'm happy how I organized and cleaned everything. In the comments down below, let me know of any organization ideas that you have. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see DIYs or a bullet journal video on Monday and Thursday. I will see you in the next video. Bye!